Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a, what they call it, like an exchange, for example, like from like US dollars to Bitcoin and shit like that. So we're going to include iOS stream. We're going to be using C++ by the way. So we're going to include iOS stream, which is our input output stream. We're going to be using namespace std, which is our standard namespace library. So I don't have to write this on every single line of code like that. You know what I'm saying? So long story short, we're gonna call our what's it called? Our function money counter. You know, I mean, it's just like it's a money counter. It's like it's gonna be it's gonna be what's it called? Survival for flipping currencies basically. So anyways, we're gonna have a long. We're gonna call it a long double because with long double we can have a long decimal number. Because you know how it gets crazy with currency. Some people might have like racks like that, so you might need to have a long double like function. You know what I'm saying? But you get the point. So it's one Bitcoin to one USD. It's gonna be currently at 42,000. This is gonna be a variable. It's a variable. So if you guys want to do it like that, you can make this a variable. What's called variable code. But right now I'm just gonna use a constant code because right now the price of Bitcoin for one one Bitcoin is $42,936.5 right now. And same thing with US dollars. So one US dollar is 0.00000023 da 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 Bitcoin. Okay. So function is like say if what's it called the American dollar is equal to zero. For example, now let's say we need to know where we're transferring. So if like it's $0, it's got to be Bitcoin. What's it called? Bitcoin multiplied by one USD, which will give us how much money we're gonna receive in US dollars. Okay. So the currency in USD is this. And if it's in Bitcoin, say the currency in Bitcoin is going to be US dollars times, I mean, what's it called? USDX, which is basically how much, what's it called? $1 in Bitcoin multiplied how many dollars there is. Okay, so we're just going to use a decimal number to multiply, which will give us a small number, which it shows that US dollars is less than Bitcoin type shit. But you get the point. Anyways, we're gonna go to our main function. So in our main function, we're gonna have a variable x equals 0. We use that for this, which is for our first input. Since like we're gonna have an input of, let's say we press 1, we trade Bitcoin into USD. Press 2, we trade USD into Bitcoin. If we press 3, we leave the program. So the program terminates if we press the number 3 when he asks us to press whichever physical thing you want to do. So we're gonna have string G. String G was never used, so I'm just gonna remove string G. But we're gonna use a long double format for this because like we don't know like how much money they're gonna put in. So even if it could have been long, we're just gonna say go long Bitcoin dollars, da da da. But yeah. Uh-huh. And we say like if x1 equals 1, then it's gonna be enter that amount of Bitcoin, console input, Bitcoin, which is like console input the money. You say money counter is gonna go 0 Bitcoin because we said if it's 0, we're choosing. If we say 0, for example, that says 0 USD, it's gonna convert. If it's 0 USD, it's gonna convert Bitcoin into USD. Okay. And here, if it's with dollars, it's going to be 0 Bitcoin, so it's going to convert dollars into Bitcoin. That's why I put the 0 in front of this because the function again, the title says 0 if statements. There's 0 if statements. You get the point. So yeah. So enter the amount of Bitcoin, enter the amount of dollars. Then we call the function money counter. Da 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 da. I'm gonna just zoom out for you guys to see the code one time. So let's go. There's the code right there. You guys see it fully. You can take a screenshot. I'm gonna just zoom in. Just give you guys more space to see the code. You feel me? So yeah, it's the code. So I'm just gonna run the code now. So let's just say we have USD to Bitcoin, like da da da. We just see comparison. I know it's gonna be like off to a bit because I don't know how much it kind of inflated or deflated right now because that's how it be sometimes deflation and inflation. So let's see if we want to trade Bitcoin to USD. Let's say we're gonna enter like 20. Let's say like 5 Bitcoins. Let's say 3 Bitcoins. So currency in USD is gonna be that. Let's just make sure. See 3 Bitcoins. So yeah, we're close to the amount of dollars, 1,208, 810, because now it just inflated, deflated. When I wrote the code, it was different type shit. It was like probably a couple hours ago, but you guys get the point. Let's say press 2, amount in dollars. Let's say $500. So say $500, and it's gonna be like 0.111 Bitcoin, which is close to this. And let's say we say 3, which is ours to terminate the program ends. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. If you have any questions, please just leave it down in the description below. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys whenever I see you guys. But get the point. Bye bye.